In this lesson, we shall analyze another type of joke, to understand its mechanism. Frank, is Google male or female? David, female, because it doesn't let you finish a sentence before making a suggestion. This joke relies on humor derived from a stereotype or generalization about gender differences and communication styles. Here's why people might find it amusing. Stereotype recognition. The joke plays on the stereotype that women, in general, are often perceived as more talkative or likely to offer suggestions in a conversation compared to men. The humor arises from the personification of Google as female and the comparison to this perceived communication style. Personification of Google, giving human characteristics to non-human entities, personification, is a common comedic device. In this case, attributing gender and communication traits to Google makes the joke relatable and creates a humorous parallel between human behavior and the behavior of a search engine. Exaggeration. Exaggeration is a comedic technique often used to create humor. The joke exaggerates the idea that Google interrupts before a person can finish a sentence, taking a common experience of autocomplete suggestions and presenting it in an exaggerated, amusing way. Everyday observation. The joke is grounded in the everyday experience of using Google, making it relatable to a wide audience. Many people can relate to the experience of typing a search query and seeing suggestions before completing the sentence. Light-hearted nature. The joke is light-hearted and doesn't rely on offensive or controversial themes. It pokes fun at a common situation without being mean-spirited. It's important to note that humor is subjective, and not everyone may find this type of joke amusing. Some may appreciate the wordplay in the play on gender stereotypes, while others may find it perpetuates unhelpful stereotypes. As with any form of humor, cultural context and individual preferences play a significant role in how the joke is received.